Are you struggling with drawing human figures for NID DAT prelims? Your figures look stiff, awkward, and takes forever to finish? You don't need to be a master artist. All you need to understand the techniques to achieve this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly practice human figure drawing, how to improve them, and also what are the common mistakes that needs to be avoided to make that level up in your drawing. These all techniques are straight up from my NID preparation journey, which helped me a lot. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hey everyone, I am Shruti and welcome back to episode 3 of NID preparation journey. Human figure drawing. I will break this whole drawing process in beginner friendly way so that it will be easy for all of you. With that, at the end of the video, I have provided a really helpful worksheet for all of you. So if you want to have benefit of it, make sure you watch the video till the end and also like and subscribe for more episodes of this series. Many of you DM'd me on Instagram and asked me questions on comments and also in my DMs. Don't worry, I'll answer them specifically in one single video so that it will be easy to find every solution of every question. In last episode of this series, I have talked about line practice. If you haven't watched that episode, make sure you do because that is the whole foundation of today's video. You might think that line practice is childish activity or what is this, like what the heck is this, how it will help me to improve the drawing. But trust me, I have done it daily. If you do it daily and consistently, you will notice a huge jump of change in your drawing, positively of course. It will take your drawing game from here to here. So if you really want to do it, if you really want to make the change, make sure you practice the line work daily. I'll show you how to exactly do it within seconds. Honestly, line practice is really easy. You will start off with horizontal lines. Don't pick up your hand until the line ends. Start with one end and then end with other. Then you will draw vertical lines. Make sure to complete the whole page. There was time limit here, so I didn't complete it here. But make sure you fill up all the page with vertical, horizontal, slanting lines on both the way and circles. Fill up all your page by overlapping them on each other. Don't worry about the mess, it's just practice. After practicing line practice, you will notice a huge change in your line confidence, posture control and hatching. It's so underrated but very powerful. First things first. NID is not looking or not judging your drawing on the basis of your master skills, like how efficiently you can shade the portraits, or they are not looking on your muscle development, on realistic anatomy. NID wants clarity, storytelling, a good, well-maintained, proportionate human figure which tells a really good story behind it, the backstory of that character. So basically, NID looks for clarity, proportion, gesture, and storytelling. It's all about how perfectly you draw ideas, not how perfectly you shade legs or hands or face. Now we will talk about core drawing tips that works. Number 1. Start with stick figure, not drawing the full body. Always start with drawing the skeleton or the stick figure. It hardly takes 5 to 10 seconds or maybe 15 seconds, but it will make your overall human drawing in well proportion. Don't waste your time in drawing a single figure on a big page. Draw 5 to 6 figures in one single page or even more if you want to practice them in mini sizes. What I will recommend you is drawing 3 to 4 figures on a single page so that you will also maintain the mindset of drawing the human figure in such size that your paper will expect. Number 2. Practice all age groups. Just imagine that your drawing includes all human figures of one single age, all adults. How will it look like? That will not look like a it will not look like a relatable drawing, right? Because in daily life or in real life, we are not seeing people of similar age group at one place, at least in a public place. There are different age groups, like there may be a child or there may be an old man, there may be a really small baby. So that's the difference. The variety that you will bring in age groups in your drawing will make it relatable to the real life. So the examiner might think that you are a really good observant, and you know that that variation in your drawing brings that change and make you unique from other designers that are attempting the same exam. Practice body proportions in different age groups, like practice child drawing, then adult, old man, a teenager. So there is method of 4 heads, 6 heads, 8 heads that will help you in that. There are many videos which will teach you in detail how to draw babies, how to draw teens, how to draw old people. So I don't need to go in depth of that. You go and make research on yourself on that. So I'll keep that on you, because if you have only practiced drawing adult bodies, you will get stuck at some point. Like imagine you practiced just adult bodies, and in exam the examiner asks that draw a device for an old man. What will you do in such situation? Because at that time you need to draw an old man, but you have practiced an adult man. So that's the difference. So let's quickly take a look on this question right here. It is not a complete question, it's just an example. So here they have told us to design a tab for 6-year-old kid. If you haven't practiced drawing kids or drawing people of different age group, here you will get into a problem. Because if you're drawing the tab, if you want to stand out between the whole crowd, you need to make something different. For example, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a kid using the tab that I have designed. So that will add a really good touch to my drawing. If you can see here, I have drawn my product on the left side, and here, right here, I'll also showcase that the kid is using the tab. This will elevate your marks. Also, here's a detailed time lapse where I'll be drawing the kid, so make sure you watch it properly. Number 3. Use clothing to show character. This point is neglected by many of us, but is important. This shows your observation to the examiner. See, outfit matters because it shows a backstory, it shows the character design, not in detail, but yeah, it does. See, outfit matters. Add kurta, add sari, pajamas, shorts, depending on the situation. For example, if you have a scenario where you have to draw a beach scenario, like a beach situation, like kids playing on beach, at that time you can't draw the kids in traditional outfits or in kurtas, in cute lehengas, because no, that's not relatable at all. There you need to draw those shorts, those summer outfits. So yeah, also make sure you observe that well, that what outfit should I give to that character. That adds a storytelling quality to your whole art. And drawing outfit doesn't need to add a lot of detail like small buttons, pockets. No need of that. Just give a silhouette to it. That will add that flow to your drawing. Number 4. Focus on gesture drawing. See, gestures in human drawing is like an heart of it. Like observe that the human is standing, sitting, running, and you need to make the flow of the gesture of it. That will not make your human figures look stiff. Number 5. Use facial expressions where needed. This was my favorite part because I love to draw expressions on the characters. That just gives another touch or your touch to that drawing. So whenever there are shots where it's focusing on character's face, add some expression to it. Don't just add smiling face. That will not make you stand out. Like for example, if they have given a question where the kid is getting frustrated by using a product or something like that, at that time you need to show that frustrated expression on the kid. Maybe he's crying or maybe he's tensed, so you need to show that expression. The expressions matter. For this, I will give you a quick exercise. Go in front of mirror and make different expressions. Squint your eyes, smile, cry if you can. That will give you a sense what your face exactly looks like with different expressions. Number 6, no need to add details in distant figures. So when there's questions of perspective or memory drawings or situation drawings, at that moment when the human figures are away from your camera, that are away from the eye view, just draw silhouette of it. Don't add details like clothes, pants and anything. Just make a rough sketch in the environment. It will just add that crowd effect. Number 7, use hatching process. No need of shading. This part is underrated because many of you don't know this, or many of the aspirants don't use this part, that is use hatching technique. So see, if you compare shading smoothly and doing the hatching technique, you will notice that there's a lot of difference in time consumption. The hatching shading technique takes really less time compared to the smooth shading. Well, shading with pencil and smudging it can make the whole paper messy. So instead of that, you can use the micron pens that are available in different nib sizes, that is 0.5, 0.7, 0.1. So that different nibs will help you to add depth. So buy them, I'll recommend, and try using them. And again, the line practice which we used to do comes in hand with this technique also. Because if you ain't able to draw the slanting lines, straight lines properly, you will not able to hatch properly. So yeah, that's your best friend again coming in between. Number 8, mostly do your practice on A4 sheets. Now this is quite a secret maybe, because the paper or the answer sheet on which we are going to draw is in A4 size. And when you practice on A4 sketchbook overall for 1 year, 2 year, you will get the sense of the size ratio or the human figures that you are drawing in, or whatever you are drawing in. You will get a size ratio of what an A4 size paper covers. So that will help you on drawing on the main answer sheet of your paper, because that's of the same size. Observation is basically your superpower. If you want to level up quickly than others, go outside, go anywhere, sit in your balcony and observe how people walk, how are people dressing, what are the characteristics of different people. Just observe. Sit in a cafe. I'll give you an activity. Sit in a cafe or sit anywhere for 5 minutes, observe and draw. Now observe the same scenario for 10 minutes and draw again. And then 20 minutes or 25 minutes and draw again. You will notice how much you observe is how much the detail that you will capture increases. Example, if you are told to draw a singer or a pop star on a stage, what you will draw? A singer with a mic? No, because many of the designers that attending the exam will draw the same. What will make you unique is drawing some tattoos on his hand, or maybe drawing a piercing on his nose, or a septum, or anything that makes your figure stand out. That will show the observation you do to the examiner. Mistakes you must avoid: drawing floating figures, making everyone of the same height and build, over detailing figures early on. Free worksheet plus challenge. I have created a free worksheet for you. Here it is, and if you want to download it, link is in the description. You can go download it. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, here is my Instagram. You can follow it too, because all the updates of this videos or anything or solving your doubts, you can DM me over there and also follow me. If this video helped you out, make sure to follow the drill of like, share and subscribe. And also, if you follow the worksheet and complete it, tag me on Instagram. I will reshare it to my followers. With that, in next episode, I'll bring out more of these tutorials and solve your doubt as much as I can. Until then, keep sketching, keep observing, and you absolutely got this. Don't feel demotivated at all despite of everything or despite of anything that happens, because I know you are the champ and you can clear this easily. That's cup of your tea. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till that, take care, bye bye, and